Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So in this video we will talk about Instagram stories versus Instagram reels. So what is the advantage of using Instagram stories and Instagram reels? So first we will talk about Instagram stories. So Instagram story is basically to be in touch with your followers, your fans or your friends. This will keep you and your followers stay in touch, but you are not going to grow your page or your account with the help of Instagram stories. You will not get any followers. There will be a very rare scenarios when someone is liking your stories and they are sharing with someone, and if they like your account they will follow you, but this is very rare case. So Instagram stories is only for keeping in touch with your fans, followers or your friends. But here Instagram reel is very useful uh, to grow your Instagram. Even see, you can get a millions of views if your reels are getting viral, and you will get so many followers. If any of your reel is getting viral, you will get thousands of followers. So reel is especially to grow your account, to grow the insights of your account. You will get many new audience in your Instagram account, and you will grow your account very faster. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.